So, got the new trade. I got a Leatherman Surge from my friend. It's special edition. Black tools with the silver handle. Now the Surge is probably the largest multi-tool. If not, I can't remember if the Super Tool 300 is as big or bigger, or if they're the same or not. But yeah, this is a great tool, especially if you're a tradesman. Horticulture is my trade, and having a good pocket knife and multi-tool and also a fixed blade is always good to have. So you got your huge pliers in the middle with your wire cutter and stripper and crimper. Got your hidden lanyard hole just like on the Wave. Got some shot cord there. You've got graduations and measurements on the inside of the handles. You've got, I think it's kind of silly that they put in so many different drivers, but I like it because this way I've got my stitching awl, and then I've got two very small, essentially scrapers and pry bars that I'll use sacrificially if I need to. Then you've got a wire stripper, can opener, and your interchangeable bit driver. Serrated blade, 3.5 inches or so. Very nice spring assisted scissors. 3.5 inch clip point blade. And interchangeable file and diamond sharpener. What you do is you leave it open like this, and all you have to do is with this tab here, you just push it forward with your fingernail, and then this allows the file to just slip out from the side. And then in the sheath it can hold two accessories, so I've got a marker and I've got Exotac ferro rod, and in the sheath there's a rear pocket so you can hold more Leatherman bit kit, as well as this little sheath that holds your file and sharpener, as well as a saw. So to put in the saw, just put it in from the side, and then just slip the guard over. There we go. Why that was giving me trouble, I don't know. Sorry about that. Yeah, just going to show you. Saw does work. It's a great fire starter. For the spine, you just strike it with the ferro rod. Really great for notching, doing small, accurate carpentry needs. Just a few pulls. See some different notches. Not enough yet to snap that, but it's okay. Yeah, this multi-tool is pretty much 4 inches long. Blades are 3.5 inches. It's a heavy bugger. It's 12.5 ounces, so it's almost a pound, but you know, with that setup, I'd put a small O-light, like a pen light, on the side of the sheath with the ferro rod and this good multi-tool. Send me anywhere in the world, and I'm confident that I should be good for a long time. Just want to show you the blades and how nicely these ones can carve. Here's a look at the serrated blade. That can just chew right through pretty much anything. Pocket chainsaw. Let's just get a look at how accurate the 440C blade can be with Leatherman. You know, I'm okay with Leatherman's heat treatment on their blades. They do a good enough job. I can confidently do a decent amount of cardboard cutting, and could cut a green matter all day long with it. It's got a pretty, this one's got a pretty big bevel. kind of like a 15 degree on there. It's very, very keen. And I really love how they throw in the small diamond sharpener in with this kit. So after all the years of EDC use and different items I used, you know, you could carry around pretty much this, you know, your cheap Mora Companion or 511, Mora Craft or whatever, Mora Bushcraft model, whatever you got, and just find a way to carry a small sharpener with you, and you're good to go. So even with this very bulky big handle, it really fills in the hand, and the blade is lined up with the bottom, so I feel I get a lot of good control. You can see the small feathers and carving on this piece of birch. I just want to see how nicely that saw strike on a ferro rod. Okay, let's bring it down here. Oh, Brother Raven's here to visit us. Caw, caw. So just dropping some flakes. It flexes. This blade, saw blade, does flex a lot. So that may be a problem for you, maybe not. Sharp as heck though. Yeah, it's really bouncing, and the blade is kind of bouncing, and it's flexing a lot. Newbie move, I didn't fluff up that birch enough. There. There you go. Very good woods tool, very good EDC tool, especially if you're a tradesman. A little bit heavy. In a way, I guess I do kind of prefer the Leatherman Surge with the 154 cm blade. Essentially the same tool, just a bit smaller, and you save on a bit of weight. But still no complaints about this. Really like it.